Hey guys, my name is Edgar. I'm gonna show you in today's video 5 AI tools that sellers use. AI is changing how people design. We all know that, and most sellers are already using it. Here are 5 tools that will help you move faster. First, Midjourney, best for creating high quality artwork, generates realistic premium designs, perfect for posters, canvas arts, patterns. Second, Canva AI, perfect for fast layouts and resizing designs. Third, Photoshop AI tools, helps refine and clean up your work. Fourth, Lovable, best for launching a store fast, build full website without coding, AI assisted setup. And fifth, we all know this one, ChatGPT, not for designing, for ideas, prompts, and niche research. But here's the important part. Tools don't make you successful. Your ideas and execution do. AI just helps you move faster. Which one are you using right now? And thank you again for watching this video. Leave a like, comment down below, and share this video to one of your friends. Bye!